another day with overnight war news. That's why the market gapped down. Let's see. It gapped down, but it's recovering pretty much. Yeah, it gapped down last night, and then it looks like the entire morning's been moving higher. Let's see. Like, the important level for me today is PDL, previous day low. I think I want to see the market bouncing, and then I'll be looking at how it reacts to that level. Previous day low, that's Friday's lows. If Friday's lows acts as support, I think we're gonna have a lot more upside. If acts as resistance, I'm looking for a retest of pre-market's low today. We have ES looking a little bit weaker than NQ. I honestly don't want to see the market just going slower, like going lower from here. I wanted to see both ES and NQ retesting previous day's low, but these are nice pre-market high reaction. Very slow start of the day, very clean reaction, especially on NQ. I want to see something like this. That's what I want to see here. I want to play a retest of previous day's low, Friday's low. But I don't know if that's gonna happen today. The market looks extremely weak so far. Yeah, look at that move. I like this hold. The thing is, like, if I want to trade this, my stop loss needs to be too wide, and I don't love that. It would be something like this. Maybe I can take it with only one micro. Maybe. Yeah. Look at this. That was perfect. Well, I'm happy if any of you got that trade and made money. Look at that move. That was beautiful. Let's see if ES is gonna hold this level. But yeah, the market is very, very scary today. Very choppy, very jumpy. We're moving in a very tight range so far. Yeah, I like this hold on ES and NQ. I'm watching ES here. I'm gonna look for a bounce here. Maybe if I can get a lower entry with a stop loss at these candles low, and then see if we can get a move to morning highs, maybe. I need a little pullback here. Okay, I bought one there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna only trade these with one contract. This PA is too risky for me to trade with more than one contract on these accounts, to be honest. Give me a little bit more. I would love to see a move to morning's highs, but I think I'm gonna take some profits. I can take some profit, but I'm gonna take profits around here if I can get that move. Yeah. Okay, keep going, keep going. I'm all out. Beautiful. I do think it's gonna go to my PT, but I don't wanna keep holding this for maybe another pullback here, maybe stop me out and then just keep chopping around. But that was beautiful. That was beautiful.